So hello guys and welcome back to your own YouTube channel Views of Wealth, and it's been quite long that we have made a video on Nifty and Nifty. So first of all, sorry for that. Due to some personal commitments, I could not update you on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other stocks. But if you are a member of our Telegram channel, we've been updating continuously on Telegram. So since past few weeks, I guess we covered here only that it is going to get a dip towards somewhere around 15,000, and then it may also go up to 14,200. So 14,200 hasn't happened, but so what is going on in the market? So first of all, we'll just review our previous analysis where we covered that Nifty might be doing this W, X, Y, X, and Z correction, and in this correction it may reach up to 14,200. But I was pretty sure that many of you might have seen a video where Nifty was taking a sharp bounce here. We also said the same thing, like this is not the bottom and we're going to go down again. Okay, so there are always multiple views and points, and there are multiple data points from where you can analyze on Elliott waves. So we'll do one thing. First of all, there is still a previous view which we said could be possible, like this is WXYXZ, and for that this could be W, this is X, this is Y, this is X, and Z is still in process. In that case, what could be the counts? So we'll discuss that. In that case, Nifty might be bouncing back into wave B. So this could be A, this is B, and we may again fall for wave C. So this is our first count. So this is possible, but based on the global cues and the global setup which we can see on Dow Jones or the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. So based on those setups, we can say that let us discuss first Dow Jones so that we can come to the conclusion that what we are trying to say on Nifty. Alright, so this is the current setup of Dow Jones. Now, if you go on weekly chart and if you could just draw a major supply zone or a major demand zone. Alright, so this is major demand zone, which was the previous high. And one thing you must remember that this zones, like it's exactly the top of this March 2020 or February 2020, just right before the COVID dip happened, and this was the major top. So what US index has done, or you can say Dow Jones or the Nasdaq, they have done, they've just gone through, they've broken out. Now they have retested it again, and from here we can see a very good demand has come, and the uh, index has bounced. So what actually is happening here? I'll tell you, no major supply or demand zone will be broken in just one attempt. It will be there will always be a supply or demand on that zone respectively. So here we can see that was major breakdown, and after that after that breakout, this zone was never been tested. So this is the first time it is been testing, and we can see a good bounce from here. So based on the Elliott wave analysis, we'll try to find out what is happening into Dow Jones. Okay, so this was the top. First, we'll mark this top. So from here, if you're trying to find out what kind of pattern it is making, right? So you can easily, from my experience, I can sense diagonal here, and this could be the diagonal if you go on weekly or daily. Right? We'll do it on daily. Alright, go on weekly. So what the diagonals are actually is, if you might be knowing, diagonals are those who have taken our courses, they will be knowing. Diagonals are majorly formed into the first wave or the wave A. So this looks like a diagonal to me, and diagonal this in this diagonal you are also having five waves. See, this is one, two, this is three, a four, and a five, right? So in diagonals also you will find the five waves. Also in wave 5 you can see this is a major property, or you can say the characteristics of the wave 5. Whenever this wave 5 happens, you will mostly in most of the cases when it is not extended, you will see that there is a bullish divergence here, and that justifies that the strength of the bears it's decreasing, and this could be the possible point of reversal where the shorts will be covered and all the late shorters or the late bears they will be trapped. So what can happen? This is, in my sense, this is not a new rally. Right from here, we are not going to go all-time high. This is just a counter trend for this entire trend, which was started from here. It has started from here and this has ended here, and this is just a counter trend. It looks counter trend because if you go on a daily also, this trend doesn't look like this new bull market or some any kind of trend which has started from here has ended here. This is not the end. This is just a counter trend, and I still believe that we are going to go. I mean, see, this is if this is A or B, what could be the possible reversal zones? We'll also find out. Just have to apply this Fibonacci retracement from the top to bottom, and we are almost. I mean, it's near to see. This is near to 50%. From 50 to 61.8%, I sense that there could be a good reversal, and even if you go on 61.8%, you mark this 61.8%, right? And you can see that this is a major resistance zone from where I think market should reverse. And the same is the case with Nasdaq also. Nasdaq is also fallen in 5 years, and you can see a bullish divergence here, and the counter trend is currently in progress. Nasdaq has also been recovered up to 13.2% right from the top, you can see, and 50 to 61.8% you cannot neglect that, you cannot ignore that it can go up to there, and from there I think it should fall again to new lows. So this is not the bottom. My stance is still the same. I don't think this is the bottom, and this stop should be a stop loss. So applying the same thing into our Nifty, we can say that this could also be a diagonal. If you draw a diagonal from here to here, you can draw it like this. Alright. So this could be an expanding diagonal. In this case, it was not expanding, it was just contracting diagonal. In Nifty, it was expanding diagonal. Now somebody will ask why Nifty is being differently, right? So in expanding diagonal, what happens, like the distribution, you have to understand the rally that we got from the March 2020, and if you see the rally that Dow Jones has seen from the March 2020, Nifty has outperformed Dow Jones and also Nasdaq. So we have to understand that this the volume that was bought in this zone on or in this time was huge than the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. So to distribute this volume, the big players they have accumulated into these zones. They have to distribute it for the longer time, and they want to distribute on a higher prices. So for that reason, it could be possible that our rallies, the counter trends, are being stretched a little longer than the Nasdaq or the Dow Jones. Same is the case with this current bounce. Also, we have recovered in we have recovered good in terms of percentage than the Dow Jones or the Nasdaq has recovered. So that is the case with the Nifty, and I still believe the same thing which we see in Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, that Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll discuss Bank Nifty later on, but if you mark Nifty, this could be one, two, this is three, a four, and a five. So we'll check whether our wave 3 is the shortest wave or not. Is it justifying the rules of Elliott waves? So this wave 3 is larger than wave 1. So wave 3 is not the shortest one, and wave 5 is even bigger than wave 3. So that is the property of, you can say, the expanded flat, where wave 3 is longer than wave 1 and wave 5 is longer than wave 3. In our case, what we can uh, see our previous all those previous pullbacks which we have seen into the index, they have come across 78.6% for wave 2. We'll check for wave 4. That was also 78.6%. So what I'm expecting is this can easily be yes. So this entire trend, if I consider this as a 1 or A, I'll write it down for you guys so that it will be easy to understand. This major low is A or 1, okay, and this pullback which we see is B or 2, B or 2. And what could be the possible targets for Nifty to reach is 61.8% is already been achieved. So what I'm saying is 78.6% is achievable, and it may give a fake out somewhere here. In 2 or 3 weeks, we can reach up to 78.6%, which is 17,872. So this could be the target for Nifty, and at this point, where 78.6% is achieved, I would say my stance would be cautious, and you have to see carefully, because it's just the same like Dow Jones and Nasdaq. I don't think this is an impulsive bounce. This could be easily counted as a corrective bounce. If I have to mark here, I will just mark it as this is just yeah. So this could be A, B, and a C. This could be W, okay. Then an X, then again A, a B, and a C, right? So this can be marked as W. This could be X, and we are into Y. So Y is also subdivided into three waves. So right, I'll just take this one to mark. This is W, X, and a Y. In this W, X, and a Y, you can see the relation between W and a Y. It's normally is 1 gem 1, so 16,950 was the initial target when this high was taken out. So 16,950, this was a major resistance zone, and Nifty has broken it out with a huge gap, and you can see that. So these all are the gaps which will act as a strong support zones while it should come down, while it will come down. And so what could be the next target? We have already discussed what will be the next target. See, this is also a good resistance zone, which is 17,332, and it has managed to close above 17,340 today. So it is, there are more chances that it will achieve the target which we discussed, and could be 17,000, just a moment, yeah, 17,872 odd levels. So we can say 17,800 to 900 will be acting as a good supply zone, and from there we can see a good downfall, which could lead us to the previous breakout zone, maybe lower. So this the target for wave 3 or waves C, we can only calculate once this pullback will be over. So that is all for the Nifty, and we'll also discuss about the Bank Nifty. See, the Bank Nifty has the same structure. Like if you are a member of our Telegram channel, you must be knowing that I've been saying this again and again, that this is not the low, and this low will be taken out soon, because there are some patterns which has to be completed if you want to go higher. It is not like we have see in Nifty and Bank Nifty there is difference. Nifty has made a low here, and Bank Nifty has not made a low here. The same thing which we discussed into the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, that this was the previous resistance zone from where we Bank Nifty was you know it got crashed while this COVID time, and after that we have broken out this zone again, retested it, again gone up, retested it, again has gone up, failed, come down. So this zone has been tested multiple times. So whenever it is going to come down, I don't think this time it is going to take support at this level. In terms of Elliott wave counts, I've been saying this over and over again that this is one leg of fall. This could be an ABC. Again, we are going for the X wave here. All market. See, this could be A, B, and a C. This could again be a B, and a C. This C can break this high, which is 38,765, but eventually should fall from here, and this breakout should fail, and then this the structure will be it should look like this: A, B, and a C. So this could be this entire structure can be ABC as W. This ABC can act as an X, and one more ABC can move forward to Y. So now this could be WXY, also this could be as ABC. So what is the difference in WXY and ABC? This WXY, in this case, if it is W, this is an X, and if it is a Y, then it has to fall in three waves, right? If it is in ABC, see, this is 333 pattern correction. Okay, so this is called as a combination correction, or you can see this is a complex correction. In case of five waves which we discussed, that could be a flat correction. So this could be A, B, C. This is three. This is three, and it can fall in five waves like this. So that will be a flat correction. All right. So to sum up all these things, I'm still on my view until and unless market doesn't uh, break out of such levels. This is the level 41,797 in Bank Nifty, and our all-time high in Nifty. This will be our stop loss: 18,604 in Nifty and 41,797 in Bank Nifty. This should be our stop loss, and we are still aiming for bigger down targets. So that's all. I hope you like the video. If you are not a part of our Telegram channel, please do join our Telegram channel. The link I'll provide in the description. And if you like the video, please do support us. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.